Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we are starting on the daily time frame. Situation unchanged, but still good to repeat and explain again the overall context. The idea is that we're likely in this fifth wave to the upside, similar to the Bitcoin chart, where Ethereum is in the last leg up of this bullish cycle, but could still roughly double possibly, right? We get into this blue target zone, maybe even a bit higher, okay? But that would be a zone that we have on the chart at the moment for orientation. I mentioned on here ideal first target 5,720. That depends on the larger time frame on which we have already completed waves 1, 2, 3 in this wave 5, the fourth wave, and we're now in the fifth wave. And it's all very choppy and messy. And the idea is that this is going to be an ABC structure. The main question is, do we see another deeper pullback in wave B? At least we need to prepare for that. That would be an opportunity because this would be a decent pullback, possibly the last rally before another break, the last pullback before the last rally. And is that going to happen? Or have we already seen an unusually weak B wave which bottomed in November? And we're now already directly in the C wave. There are clear levels that we can watch for each scenario. And the upside target area is still unchanged. So it actually starts at 5,000. Actually, the first level starts at 4,790. But as I said, ideal first target is here 5,720 plus. So we've got 5,720 or 30 actually, 5,740. There are a couple of levels which are overlapping. So they might need to be considered because there are two levels and they kind of reinforce this as an area of interest. Then we've got 6,190 and 7,013 as next upside levels to watch. The idea is that we could be in the C wave in the white count and it takes a break below certain levels to confirm it is the yellow B wave. So white still seems to be leading at the moment, and we need to take a look at the smaller time frame to distinguish between the two. On this scenario here, or on this chart, 1 hour chart, you see that the white B wave already bottomed around the 15th of November. We're now in the C wave up and completed possibly a wave 1, maybe even a wave 2, but that's not very clear yet. Overall, there's a support area for this wave 2 pullback between 3,192 and 3,567. And the price dipped into it, it reversed out of it. But it's only a 3-wave move up from the low. So I'd like to see 5 waves to really confirm that wave 2 bottomed. And the 5-wave move can occur as long as the price holds above 3,749. That means in turn, any break below 3,749 would rather suggest that we're heading down lower and test this area again, which wouldn't be bearish. It would simply mean that wave 2, which presumably bottomed on the 9th of December, is still unfolding. And that at the same time would open the door to a more bearish interpretation in the yellow scenario, which however is still overall bullish. So in the yellow count, it would most likely need another dip into support. Then we have an ABC structure that could be in the white count, still wave 2, and we break out to the upside. Or it might just lead to a B wave before we go down. But you see, even if we dip into this area, it would be likely to get another substantial bounce. Whether that's in the B wave or the white wave 3 will have to be seen. But the structure of that rally would likely tell us more. Certainly it would be another opportunity. For now, it is possible wave 2 bottomed, but then I need to see 5 waves up. Which means in the short term, it is very simple. We don't need to make it more complicated than the charts already are. So it is very simple because we can say that as long as we're holding above this upper micro support here between 3,749 and 3,878, it is even possible to just look at direct further upside, right? Yesterday we explored the idea that, okay, we have a 5-wave move down here. Is it an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave? Well, that could certainly be complete. We see another small reaction, but it's too weak to confirm that wave 5 has started. With a 5-wave move up, we'll get clear probabilities because then we can say that wave 2 bottomed. We also said, okay, maybe it's the yellow count, but then this is not impulsive to the downside, which again might shift probabilities slowly, slightly towards the white count and one more high. Definitely worth watching. This pullback now looks very corrective, but it takes a break above that internal B wave high at 3,970 to indicate that circle wave 5 is unfolding. Then possibly with resistance around $4,100, which is also the previous swing high. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. And if you are interested in the membership, then you can find a video on our channel page which explains the perks, how the membership works and everything around it. You can get access to our member live stream every Sunday. It happens today. You also get access to member-only videos. We covered WorldCoin today, WLD, yesterday, Dog with Hat, FTM, Layer AI, Injective Protocol, and many more. If you're a gold member, you can additionally get access to our Discord server for many more benefits, like, for example, TradingView live chart access. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.